And here's I will show you how to transfer your Google contacts to a different Google account. On your mobile, you have to open Google Contacts app, and now tap on your profile photo and select your account. So in this Google account, I have bunch of contacts. Now I will transfer all of these contacts into this account. So first of all, go to your contact account and tap on organize. Here scroll down and tap on export to file. And here choose accounts to export. I'm selecting my account and export. And here you can rename the contact VCF file, and you can also change you can also select a different folder to export your all contacts, and then just tap on save. And that's it. Go to your files app, go to the folder, and here as you can see I've successfully exported my contacts as a VCF file. Now it's time to import this contact file in my different account. So I'm going to open in my Google Contacts app again, and this time from the same account tap on organize, and now tap on import from file, and here save imported contacts to. You have to select the account in which account you want to import your all contacts, or in which account you want to transfer your contacts. So I want to transfer all contacts from this account to this account, so I'm selecting this account. And now from my storage, I'm selecting the VCF contact file. And once successfully imported, I'm going to switch my account, going to contacts, and that's it. Here as you can see, I've successfully transferred all my contacts from my another account to this account. Thanks for watching.